Welcome back, cruisers, for our daily cruise news updates. It's great to have you join us today as we have 4 brand new stories heading your way as Carnival Cruise Line has upped its prices for its priority packages. Watch this video and more as we bring you the latest news directly from cruisehive.com. Royal Caribbean International is using its Hive-based cruise ship Rhapsody of the Seas to assist in evacuating Americans from Israel in light of the ongoing conflict in the region. The assistance was requested by the US Embassy in Israel, with evacuations beginning on October the 16th, taking travellers from Haifa to Limassol in Cyprus. The trip takes 10 to 12 hours with meals and Wi-Fi service provided on board. All travellers must be either a US national or the immediate family member of a US national. Rhapsody of the Seas is currently home ported from Haifa, but the remainder of the ship's Mediterranean season has been cancelled due to the regional violence. A Greek photographer has given cruise lovers and marine life enthusiasts alike a rare and unique view underneath a cruise ship by dropping his GoPro camera into the water and sharing the resulting video. The 7-minute video begins by showing a crew-only area of the ship in the bow, and after entering the water, the view of the ship's stem bulb is obscured by a school of fish. Throughout the video, various fish of different species and sizes are seen up close, with snappers, barracudas and 2 types of sharks present. There's no narration to the video and the audio is minimal, though the overall image quality is superb. Though the video was posted in November 2021, there is no indication of when it may actually have been recorded. Just 2 weeks after making adjustments to the Crown Lounge that promised no change in access requirements or services offered, Royal Caribbean International has notified guests aboard its newest, largest vessel that access is indeed restricted, at least on one sailing. The restriction is for several evening hours throughout the current 7-night cruise aboard Wonder of the Seas. The newly renamed Crown Lounge will only be available to Diamond Plus and Pinnacle Club members from 5 to 8 PM each evening of the cruise. Other than the daily restrictions from 5 to 8, Diamond members still have full access to the lounge at all other times. So cruisers, what do you think of this restriction? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Carnival Cruise Line has opened up bookings on its immensely popular Faster to the Fun add-on priority for 2024 sailings, and despite being a great value for travellers, prices have been raised for the new year. The amount of the price increase varies from $10 to $20 per stateroom, depending on the cruise length and a class of ship. 2 to 3 night cruises have been raised by $10 to a total of $69.95. 4 to 5 nights again raising by $10 to $99.95. 6 to 8 nights also up by $10 to $139.95. And a 9-night and more cruises have gone up an extra $20 to $189.95. Now during the cruise, guests with the priority packages receive priority reservations at the main dining room and any specialty dining restaurants, and priority water shuttle access at any tender port. So that wraps up today's updates, cruisers. My name is Paul and I thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to explore the news topics we have covered in the video, you can find them on our website on cruisehive.com. To keep up the latest news, kindly show your support by giving us a thumbs up and please subscribing to our channel. Have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.